Hi my loves, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will going to have some love reading energy, and we will going also to channel a message from your person. Okay, bago tayo mag-start, I would like to invite you to follow our other social media platform, and if you are interested in our crafts, the Bewitch & Co merchandise, available po sa link na nandun sa description box. If you feel resonated with me, I feel kasi na mas e-effect yung karga doon sa mga taong resonated talaga sa akin. Because kung titingnan nyo, kung i-visit nyo yung aming IG, meron tayo doon na mga testimonials na align talaga yung energy ko doon sa ating mga collectives. Okay, kagaya na sinabi ko, meron po kami mga available na crafts doon, like for protection, more on protection magic, more on protection crafts. So kagaya na lang din ng pinaka-latest naming design, the evil eye, red evil eye and black string combination with this gemstone, na kumbaga ang karga dito is to return all the evil eye, all negative forms of energy doon sa mga taong nagbabato nito sa wearer. And also, without sabihin natin, hindi nababawasan yung kanilang energy. So, kung ano man yung mga negative form na yon, ibabalik yon. And also, the purpose o yung karga dito sa gems na to is para na rin mas maka-attract ng good news and ng blessings doon sa mga taong sa wearer na kumbaga binabato ng mga negative energy. So yan po yung pinaka-latest design natin. If you are interested, meron po tayong link na nandyan sa description box. And now, let's proceed to our love energy reading. Let's see the situation first. Para kanino to? Para kaninong collectives meron? Okay, intervention, journal, and insatiable. I feel the connection of sabihin nating longing, wanting, keeping. I also feel the energy, love energy dito, na there's others involved. There's others involved in this reading. I feel na dito may humadlang. Yes, may intervention card kasi dito. May humadlang dito sa connection na to. Because this is love reading. Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina. Merong ibang involved. There's others involved. And I feel na maybe there's a temptation. There's a third party maybe. Because of this wanting more. Okay, some of you ay ganon. I also feel na yung other involved na to is sabihin natin yung third party or distraction, and iyon ay kumbaga dahilan or caused by this wanting more or unquenchable, or yung ito yung ating insatiable card. And for some of my collectives, I also feel na there's an intervene because of others or because of other people. Nahadlangan or hinahadlangan or hahadlangan itong love situation na to. This may be, kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, merong ibang involved. And this is secrets. I strongly feel na where I see the diary in the cards, there's a sabihin nating secret. Kasi usually the diary symbolizes or signifies us as a secret, di ba? And siya lang yung kumbaga kinakausap mo. So if ever na this is a third party situation, wait lang, check natin yung ating mic. Okay. Hindi pala naka-connect. Okay. I also feel na this one is sinisekreto siya. Isinisekreto niya to. Yung pagiging insatiable or wanting more. So I feel na there's other people involved here. And ito kasi, I feel dito yung sabihin natin, so much desire. Okay? So much desire. Let's see some supporting card. So, hindi naman sa lahat ay third party situation to. But, yun, merong taong involved. May taong involved, may taong nag-intervene. Kung meron man sa halimbawa ay nagkakalabuan itong love situation na to, may taong kasing involved. Other love situation, walang taong involved, sarili nila problema lang. But this time, meron eh. May nag-intervene and others involved. And malinaw na this is because of wanting more. And this is secrets. Hindi siya sinasabi. Kumbaga, isinasaloob lang niya yun. Okay, let's see some supporting messages. Let's pull some card about it. Spirits, what is this intervention and insatiable all about? Okay. Twin flames. I feel the twin flames ascending. New phase. Preparing for union. Okay, maybe coffee cup. Meeting. Converting. Okay. Malinaw na malinaw, my loves. Na may nag-intervene before. May nag-intervene before and sabihin natin because of also this insatiable energy, there's sabihin there's a feeling uplifted. There are sabihin natin meeting upcoming or ahead because this. Kumbaga, some of you, my loves, if this is not a third party situation, I strongly feel na you are inseparated with your twin flames. And right now, they are sabihin natin, they are keeping secrets, they are keeping their feelings, they are entrusting this connection to the unknown. Okay? To the unknown. Because, di ba, pag tayo nagjo-journal, kanino ba siya na talaga naka-address? So, maybe, most of the time, kay universe, pag tayo nagda-diary, kanino siya naka-address? Di ba? They are still keeping notes about this situation. And maaaring ito din ay sabihin natin minamanifest ka nung taong to by journaling. By sabihin natin writing some spells, pwede yun, or writing some sublimation, affirmation. Writing affirmation. And this process is makakatulong ng malaki dito sa na to sa makakatulong ng malaki dito sa connection na to because this one is uplifted, that there's a transcending from these obstacles. Kumbaga, ito from this twin flame intervention or separation because of others involved, there's a learning, merong learning na magaganap, maaaring na-serve yung lesson, and there's a new phase. The spirits also confirming for the new phase upcoming your way. Because this one, the person you're dealing with is, sabihin natin, there's want more. Okay? And this one, habang kumbaga, kayong dalawa is sabihin natin dahil nga there's other people intervene in this connection. Maybe nga, pwede din third party to, pwede namang hinadlangan to ng mga ng friendship or family. But this one is twin flame. In twin flame, or sabihin natin there's a twin flame energy here. And right now, they still working on progress. And sabihin natin, they're still into you. They want more. Sabihin natin nauuhaw siya sa'yo. Titigan natin, tingnan nyo yung ice cubes na to, the insatiable card. Sobrang natutunaw siya. They want more. Nauuhaw siya sa presensya mo. And kumbaga it's all about their diary. It's all about pinagkakatiwala lang niya to sa kanyang diary, sa kanyang journal. But this one, habang kumbaga nandito pa lang kayo sa affirmation na to, there is, sabihin natin, preparation for this union. Kumbaga, sabihin natin, hinahanda ka, maaari intervention na to ay inilapit kayo sa, sabihin na, kay universe, kay God. And during this process, ito yung sabihin nating preparation. Binibigyan kayo ni God ng preparation for this union and for this new phase. So ito nga, yung intervention nga na to ay naging part ng obstacles ng inyong connection, my loves. So kung mapapansin nyo, andyan ito ang learning and expansion. Learning and expansion because this is the card signifies for ascending. Kung makikita nyo yung balloon, nakalutang siya, diba? Because maybe both of you are wanting more for this connection. And because, kumbaga, after the universe preparing you for this union, there are upcoming meeting and conversing or conversation that lifted your feelings or that can lift your feelings. And kumbaga, may paparating. I feel na may paparating. Pwedeng this connection, pwede mag-start ulit as friends. Kasi kumbaga yung meeting na to is a typical meeting or coffee cup meeting. But there's a desire. There's a desire to want more. Kumbaga, pwedeng ito ay mag-approach lang sa'yo as friends. And sabihin natin to start something new, the new phase eh. Ngayon, they want more. Na kumbaga gusto nilang simulan doon, pero hindi lang doon pwedeng matapos. Kumbaga magsisimula ulit kayo from friendship, but their objectives is for a new phase, for a new level or ascending. But I feel na yun nga, sa friendship muna to. Sa friendship muna kayo pwedeng mag-start. Maybe this intervention is matagal na. And kumbaga kayo ay kung kayo ay naging couple or in relationship na before, maybe sa friendship nga muna kayo mag-i-start. Because it is just a typical meeting. But deep inside, kagaya nga sabi ko, they are secretly desiring you because of this diary or keeping notes. Let's channel some messages about this person. Okay? Kasi, di ba, ang ganda. Pero ito yung twin flame na in separation. And yun nga, maaaring pag nagtagpo kayo, parang casual na pag-uusap, but maybe your souls, both of you, are thirsty for each other. You are very special. So, what another messages from this person? Aside from being, you are very special. Kaya, my loves, ikaw ay kumbaga, hinahangad ka talaga niya. So, willing sila na kahit mag-start mo na kayo sa friendship, ang mahalaga is makakonect ulit siya sa'yo. Ito yung kanyang pinoproseso right now. If I follow you, I could lose everything. Okay, maybe they are choosing the safe zone before. They're choosing the safe zone before, yung typical na safe na zone, and yun yung zone ng mga taong involved dito. Yun yung sabihin natin, yung mga taong involved, yun yung tinutukoy niya na maybe ito ay part ng kanyang friendship, part ng kanyang family, and also ng career. Kumbaga, I strongly feel na yung interview na to na involve ang iba ay yung safe zone niya. Maaaring yun din yung source ng kanyang income, and they want you to know na yun nga, kung meron man nagkaroon, kung bakit siya pumayag dito sa pag-i-intervene na to, this because iniisip niya na hindi niya kayang mag-step muna doon sa kanyang safe zone, sa kanyang survival mode. Okay, kumbaga nandun siya sa survival mode during this intervene, at wala siyang nagawa kung hindi, kumbaga, payagan yung intervene nito, because nga, kung sabihin pipiliin ka niya or susundin niya ang mga gusto mo, maaaring maraming mawala sa kanya. And that is include, if they lose everything, pwede nga yung kanyang family, pwede maapektuhan ng family, pwede maapektuhan ng friendship, and also their career. So, ano man yung issue na yon, yun yung nag-cause kung bakit niya hinayaan yung intervene na to. Okay, another messages for this from this person. Need more time. They need more time. Okay? They need more time, my loves. They are, sabihin natin, they are building their foundation because of the number 4 here. But I also feel na matatapos din to because there's a 9 signifies to the life, the cycle ending, and also the 5 for changes. 5, and nandito yung new phase, diba? So I need more time for this. So your person wants you to know na they are wanting more, they are thirsty for you. Kumbaga, they are desiring you, they want to meet you, but right now they need more time. They need more time. So if ever nga na darating yung taong to, right now inaayos pa niya yung kanyang pundasyon. They are balancing out kung ano para maiwasan niya to. At least, my loves, this helps, spirits helps you to decipher this. You are very special to this person. Pero yun nga, they could lose everything kung hindi sila susunod doon sa safe zone na yun, dahil maybe because nandun sila sa survival mode, and binabalance out nila yun para hindi mangyari to, kasi yun ang nasa isip niya. Pag siya halimbawa sumama sa'yo, maraming pwedeng mawala sa kanya. Pag pinili ka niya, maraming pwedeng mawala, maraming pwedeng maapektuhan. So, binabalance out niya to right now. Okay? But they want to communicate with you. They want to be with you. And maybe, because they are in their survival mode, if ever na mag-meet kayo, if ever talaga na feeling, kasi nayaan niya yung intervening ng twin flame na to I strongly feel na kahit sa friendship lang muna, basta makasama ka niya. Basta, halimbawa, if you are into a situationship na hindi pa nagiging in relationship or naging relationship na may mga humadlang, gusto niya ng connection with you na kahit friendship man lang, para hindi maapektuhan to, para hindi mawala sa kanya lahat. Okay, they're balancing out. But one thing is for sure, they want you. They want your appearance. They are thirsty for your appearance. They want this connection. Pero, nasa sa'yo, my loves, kung mag-a-appear sa'yo yung taong to, mag-o-offer ng friendship. Pero yun nga, kumbaga kasi dito, binabalance out niya yung situation na to binabalance out niya to. Dahil baka nga, may mga tao or pag may mga taong or may pangyayari, may insidente na hindi papabor dito sa inyong connection. And sabihin na natin yes, kung meron man, dahil nga na, there are other people involved, may tendency na kahit sa friendship na lang muna, basta magkasama ulit kayo. Magkausap ulit kayo. Okay? Let's see some love messages from our angels. New love. Okay, I also strongly feel the new form of love. Maybe, oh yes nga, darating to, this twin flame connection with you as a friend. Okay, darating to as a friend. Kasi kapag new form of love, hindi kagaya ng love na nagkaroon kayo before or connection na nagkaroon kayo before. Because I feel na the intervention here, nag-exist na to eh. Nag-exist na yung connection na to. So, this love, I strongly feel na, kumbaga, another form of love. Rebirth of love. So, yun nga, maaaring friendship nga din, my loves. Maaaring, dahil binabalance out pa niya ang mga bagay-bagay, para hindi ka tuluyang mawala sa kanya, they want you to remain in their life as a friend. Okay? But remember, this person keeps a secret. And the secret is this feeling that you are very special to them. Okay? They need more time kasi nga, in reality, in this mundane world, kahit na kayo ay sabihin yung twin flame connection, kung marami pang kailangang i-polish sa life ng bawat isa sa inyo, maaaring hindi pa nga iyon yung hindi pa iyon yung nakatakda na maging ganung result para sa connection na to. Yes, sabihin natin they are your twin flame, but marami pa siyang kailangang i-polish. They need more time, but they want you, they want your appearance, your connection, kahit sabihin na in any form of love. And yun nga, yung friendship na sinasabi ko kanina. Okay, let's pull our last card. Let's pull our last card, my loves. Actually, yun nga, pag kasi talaga may mga ibang taong sabihin natin nag-i-intervene, maaaring mahirapan din talaga ang inyong connection. But ang nakakatawa dito sa reading na to is gusto pa rin niya ng connection. Ayaw kanyang mawala. Ayaw din niyang mawala yung nandun sa kanyang safe zone, yung nandun sa kanyang survival mode na or survival state, or yung kino-consider niyang everything na to. Kaya they still polishing it. Okay? They still polishing it. Ano sabi ko, my loves? Friendship. Okay. This is the, kumbaga, ito yung gusto sabihin ni spirits, darating ulit ang taong to na mag-o-offer sa'yo ng friendship. The new form of love. Para lang magkaroon ulit kayo ng connection, because this connection needs more time. One of you, your person, this situationship needs more time para mabalance out lahat, pero gusto nilang mag-connect ulit kayo as a friend para hindi nyo mawala ang isa't isa. And this last card is all about friendship. Okay, let's read. Nurture the bonds of friendship within your relationship, and your love life will dramatically improve. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo. Yeah, ito, depende sa inyo, my loves, kung matatanggap nyo pa yung person na to because dun sa mga nangyari, kung bakit siya pumayag. Yes, I feel na nandun yung pain, bakit niya hinayaan na mag-intervene ang ibang tao. Hindi sa universe nag-intervene. Kumbaga, sabihin natin, sige, pwede na natin, baka part nga din talaga ng destiny nyo yun as twin flame connection. But there's others involved. So through these others, kumbaga medyo nandun pa rin yung pain na bakit hinayaan ng taong to na humadlang yung mga taong to or maapektuhan kayo. And it's up to you, my loves, kung pagbalik ng taong to is matanggap mo siya as a friend. Okay? So, but spirits want you to know na yung friendship na to ay kailangang mag-spark para na rin sa bond nung connection, para ma-nurture, para magsimula ulit. Maaari nga merong hurt na nararamdaman ang bawat isa sa inyo, and this friendship needs and this situation needs that friendship, yung new form of love na to, para ma-nurture, magbalik ulit yung spark na nawala sa inyo. Okay, and I think that's all for this reading, my loves. I am sending you lots of healing, love, and light. See you in my next one.